I want to give you my 2 best stocks to buy next week. So let's look into it. First, we have Lemonade. On the weekly, we have reached this support zone between $52 and $58. Also, we have perfectly recovered this gap on the daily and this week down there, which makes this zone a great point of reversal. Additionally, on the 4-hour, we are way too undervalued, which is a very bullish signal. And if we drop to the 1-hour, we can see that we have a huge imbalance to recover, between $68 and $75. The next one I really like for next week is IBM. On the daily, we are also undervalued, and we perfectly recover the liquidity in this zone. The last thing is that we also have a huge imbalance to recover in this area, between $273 and $293, which could give us a profit around 10 to 15%. If we drop to the 4-hour, we can see that we are even more undervalued, which is another great signal for IBM. These are my 2 best stocks to buy next week. Tell me what you think in the comment, and I'll see you in the next video.